Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to create a brand new YouTube channel from iPhone. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to create your YouTube channel. On your iPhone, open YouTube app. And now we have to sign into our YouTube using our Google or Gmail account. To do that, tap on You, tap on Sign In. Continue. And now if you already have a Google account or Gmail account, just write here your email and sign into your account. But right now I will show you to create a brand new Google account. So tapping on create account and selecting for my personal use and giving my first name here and last name, tapping on next. And in this step you have to select your birth date and information. So here I'm selecting a random birthday and select here your gender, tap on next. Now choose your Gmail address. I'm selecting this one and tap on next. And now create a strong password for your Google account. And then tap on next. And now you can add your mobile number here. So I'm going to skip this part and next. And tap on I agree. And reload your YouTube and you will see you successfully sign into your YouTube account. And now to create a channel, tap on You and tap on create a channel. And now write here your channel name and tap on save. And to change your YouTube channel handle or username, you can do it from here. Tap on save. To change your YouTube channel profile picture, tap here. And I'm going to upload a photo from my gallery. Once you've done all of these steps, just click on create channel. And that's it. My channel has been successfully created. And now to view your channel, open YouTube, go to your profile, tap on view channel, and you will directly jump into your YouTube channel. Here you can upload your videos, shorts by tapping on create. To manage videos, go to manage video section. Here you will find all of your uploaded videos. So this is how we can create YouTube channel on iPhone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.